Welcome. All right. Trudy, I'm going to start with the quiz. The ones that I think. Oh, okay. Let me new share. All right. So Anne Marie, let's start here. So you did 1 to 4. I wish there was a way I could actually see. I could actually see Trudy's assignment while I'm going through this. Mr. Bernard, is there a way I can do that?
Hold on. You can see it, but I don't know if you're able to share both of them at the same time.
Okay, that's a problem. All right, Trudy, just for now, just go through with me. While I'm doing this, you go through and you tell me what you have for each, since I can't see it simultaneously, all right? Okay? Oh, she's mute. I can't. Okay, that's all right. I just need to know that you're hearing me. All right, so number 1. Yeah, number 1. I realized that you were on mute. So it's all right. What did you have for 1, Trudy?
Metaphor.
Oh, wow, girl. Yeah, metaphor it is. Anne-Marie, what you have? Oh, she's mute too.
Yeah, she's mute.
Metaphor.
Okay, good. All right. Trudy, can you tell me why number 1 is a metaphor? How did you come up with the metaphor?
Because as I have my notes here.
No, man, I'm impressed so far, not Trudy, I'm telling you. Go on, you have your notes and stuff. Tell me what you have.
Well, let me read through. Well, son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't be no crystal stair. No, bring her outside. It's had tracks in it and splinters, and boards torn up, and place with no carpet on the floor. And the floor bare? Yeah. And for a metaphor, it's a direct implied comparison. It's between two unlike things that actually have something in common.
All right, good. Pause for me though, Trudy. You're on the right track, but what I need you to tell me right now is the 2 things, because you know from your notes, you know that the metaphor compares 2 things. So I need you to tell me exactly what 2 things are being compared here.
Life. Crystal clear.
It's not crystal stair.
Stair, sorry.
Oh, but of course, the line is life for me ain't to be no crystal stair. So it's not a crystal stair, but it's actually the opposite. It would be a stair without the comfort, without the smoothness. So of course it has tacks and splinters and bare floor and so on. So the 2 things would be that. Get it, Anne Marie? All right, number 2.
Anissa put
Andre is back. Turn it down, baby. Turn it down. Let me turn it down for you.
Number 2 is let me pronounce it right. Number 2 it's euphemism.
Very good.
Right.
Very good. Very good. Yes, euphemism. Because instead of saying killing the terminally ill, you are using an expression that is a milder one to that. So yes, it's euphemism. Number 3.
Hyperbole.
Good. 4.
Personification.
All right. tell me how you come up with personification.
Oh. Personification, look at that.
All right, let me help you out a little bit. It's not personification. This is one of the items that we really did not discuss. It's not personification. And remember, personification is actually when you give human attributes to an object or an idea or a thing that is not human. So that wouldn't be personification. It's one called onomatopoeia. I wish I could type on here. All right, let me type it on here. You can see me type first. This one we have not discussed yet. See? I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to put it in.
How did Maggie stretch my foot? Ow, it's not rubber.
See?
What is it? Say it with me. It's that foot. It's that foot. It's that foot. What is it?
So we'll discuss this one later. But I can tell you from now what it is. It is a device that actually mimics the sound that it represents. So the chugga, chugga, chugga of the train, the chugga, chugga, chugga actually represents the exact sound that the train makes. All right? So the chugga, chugga, chugga would be onomatopoeia. So we'll discuss this one some more. Let me know that you understand, please. Turn it down, Dante. Yes, thank you. Don't turn it up. Let it remain there. Get it, everybody?
Yeah.
All right, good. So we'll discuss that some more. That one would be onomatopoeia. Okay, number 5. Dante, don't turn it up. Turn it back down. Turn it back down.
Hey! Hello, boys and girls. Where am I? Can you see me? Where am I?
Okay, let it stay right there. Okay. For number 5, what the prisoner would not answer. He only lay with wide, dark, bright eyes like a bound animal. Which one is this?
That makes you see.
What is it, kids?
Judy is talking, you know, but she didn't realize that she mute and I can't hear her.
Look, they're playing basketball. Hey, I found my hands. Super. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Hey, don't be naughty hands. No, I like playing basketball. Do you like playing basketball? Yeah? Then catch. Oh, so look, here's one hand. Here's the other hand. They are
Okay,
hands.
so this one would be simile because the prisoner is being compared to a bound animal.
What are they? They are hands.
Right?
What are they?
And the use of light here, the use of light here indicates the simile.
My arms, my body, my legs,
remember, it's a comparison of two things using as or like. So light there indicates the simile. So it's a comparison of the prisoner and a bound animal. Right? Number 6 is one of these, or one of those that we have not discussed yet. This one is...
Oh, look, my feet are playing football. Wow,
Boy,
I like football. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, dear. But
all right, so we have not discussed this one yet, but I'll tell you what it is. Alliteration is the repetition of the first consonant sound
What are they?
And
They
note
are
consonant
things.
sound
What
and
are
not
they?
consonant.
They are
So the initial
things.
consonant
Yeah.
sound is
Super.
repeated in
Now,
words that are close to
where
each
are my
other.
legs?
So,
Oh, look.
western
There they
wind,
are.
when
Sitting on the
wilt
bench.
thou blow?
Stop
So there's
being
a
so
repetition of the
lazy.
W
Legs
sound
and
at the
come
beginning of
here.
these words.
Oh,
Western,
what
wind,
lazy legs.
when,
Come on,
will.
hurry up.
Alright? So the
Quick,
repetition
quick.
of the W
Yeah.
sound there
Oh, great.
is
Look,
alliteration.
I've got 2 legs again. So, hey, what
Alright?
are they? They
Cover
are
your mouth, baby.
legs.
Cover
Say
your
it with
mouth.
me.
Cover your
What
mouth.
are
Good. So that's alliteration. We'll discuss that some more.
No, Maggie, I don't want to play today. I'm reading my book. Oh, hello,
Alright, this one is
girls.
personification.
I'm having a lazy
Trudy,
day
mark your work as you go
reading
along.
my
You hear?
book on the sofa. Oh, hey, Maggie, she's got my foot. Look at my foot, my foot. She's got my foot, my foot. Oh, Maggie.
It's personification because Earth is laughing. Earth is doing something that only a human would do. Alright? So you give a human characteristic or a human attribute to Earth.
It's a foot. What
So
is it? It's a
Earth
foot.
is doing.
It's a foot.
Hold on. Sit. Alright. Excuse me 1 second. Woo! Oh, I come in. 1 second. Oh boy. Not ready. Andre, stay on the bed. I want you to come. Please sit on the chair. I want you to come. On the sofa, okay? Sit on this chair. I want you to come. Just put the tag right here. I want you there. No! Yes. Please?
It's not rubber. It is my arm. So say it with me. It's an arm. It's an arm. It's an arm. What is it? It's an arm. It's an arm. It's an arm.
Okay, so he won't give me a break tonight.
2 arms.
Okay.
So what are they? Say it with me. They are arms.
See?
They are arms. They are arms. They are arms. They are arms. They are
Okay.
arms. That's right.
Alright, so that's
Oh, dear.
personification. I dig my toes into the
Very
sand. The ocean
naughty
looks
today.
like 1,000
Is that a
diamonds
simile?
strewn across a blue blanket. Alright, yes, wonderful. It's a simile and it's another one as well.
Maggie stretching my head. Oh, Maggie, let go of my head.
It's simile
Naughty.
and it could be another one that I just told you about.
Oh,
It could also
my head
be
feels strange. Oh dear.
alliteration.
This is my head. What is it? Say it with me. It's a head. It's a head. It's a head.
It's alliteration.
What is
Miss
it?
number 9 is
It's a head.
It's alliteration because the
One head. Oh,
B sound is repeated here. There's a repetition of the B. I'm trying to highlight as best as I can. So the repetition of the B sound and the line here indicates the simile. The repetition is between the ocean and 1,000 diamonds, right? And the repetition of the B sound here would be the alliteration. So this could be 2 devices.
and number 9 is rhetorical, miss.
My leg isn't rubber.
Okay, yes, and it's another one too.
What is it? Say it with me. It's a leg.
So this is rhetorical.
What is it?
Could be a rhetorical question as well as another one that we have not discussed.
Got 2 legs. So what are they?
Pun.
Say it with me. They are legs. They are legs. They are legs. What are they?
Anybody knows what pun is?
They are legs. Yeah. Hey, Steve. Come on.
Okay. Pun is basically a play on words.
See you next time.
Alright?
Bye for now.
So I'm
Bye.
going to type as best as I can.
Like it. If you love it,
Pun is a play on words. In this play on words, a word might have two interpretations. All right, the pun is supposed to create some humor and create a dramatic effect, mostly for humor though. So look at the word cure. Usually the pun is, you know what homophones are?
And snowing outside today, so I'm wearing warm clothes.
Do you know what homophones are? Anybody?
What's up? What, miss?
Do you know what homophones are?
Homophone.
I'm typing it. I'm typing it.
Socks.
Homophone.
Socks. There must be some in my wardrobe.
Words that sound alike but have different meanings.
Pair of woolly socks.
So words that sound alike but they may have different meanings. All right, just to give you an example, this one says cure. The pun here is on the word cure, so that is where the play on the word is. Can you tell me what two interpretations you could get from the word cure in this sentence?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come in.
Anybody?
Where's Maggie? Where is she?
What does cure mean?
Cure.
Boys and girls. Hi. I'm playing.
To get something better.
So, where
Okay, that's
is
one,
Maggie?
to
Can
make
you see
something
her?
better. What's the other one?
I can't. Where is she?
When you cure meat, what you do to it?
I don't
Preserve it.
Yes, by doing what?
Hey, look. It's Maggie.
Usually they add salt and stuff.
Some pickles
Right.
and hot pepper and salt. And
Exactly. So now look at the sentence. Why do we wait until a pig is dead to cure it?
Well, I saw Maggie's head. Can you?
well, I guess that's the only time you can cure it.
Exactly. But you see, that is it. So it's very, you're supposed to get some humor out of it.
Yeah.
Right? So the cure here has two interpretations. It's either why do you wait until the pig is dead to actually try making it better? Or why do you wait until it's dead to cure it, to add your salt and your stuff? But like you said, that's the only time you can do that. You're supposed to get humor. A very popular one is 2 peanuts went a walking, one was assaulted.
6, 7, 8, 9.
So these are
Pun. Example
oh,
of
fun. Okay.
Remember, a pun is a play on words. So once you hear it, you're supposed to think, okay, which other interpretation could I get out of this? So if I say 2 peanuts went a walking and one was assaulted, give me your 2 interpretations.
Can you see Steve's bottom? Steve, found you.
Miss, I don't hear you a while ago. What's the question?
2.
Look, Steve.
I'm typing again.
You can see my bottom. Oh, stay with me. It's a bottom, it's a bottom, it's a bottom. Come on. It's a bottom, it's a bottom, it's a bottom. And again, it's a bottom, it's a bottom, it's a bottom. Oh dear.
I should even type it because it's better. Let me not type it. It's better when you hear it.
So, off you go. Okay. Here we go again.
2 peanuts went a walking, one was assaulted. The pun is an assaulted. One, is that you're going to say one was assaulted peanut, or one was assaulted, meaning that it was a rat. It was given some trouble on the road. You understand?
Maggie's tummy.
Yes.
It's Maggie's
I
tummy.
hope you're doing it at the telling me yes.
Look.
But anyway, we'll discuss that some more.
Yeah.
So that was rhetorical question and pun. Let me add the question to this.
Yeah. So, pat your tummy, and say it with me.
Okay.
It's a tummy, it's a tummy.
No, this one.
Again, it's a tummy, it's a tummy.
Truly, I wish I knew what you had for this one.
It's a tummy,
This one is irony.
This is my tummy. Well, that was a good game, wasn't it, Maggie? Yeah.
We have not discussed this.
Do you
I don't
like
expect
playing
you
hide and seek?
to know what
See
it
you
is.
next time. Bye for now. Bye.
But that's irony. And basically, irony, we have different types of irony. We have verbal irony, we have cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. We have verbal irony, we have situational irony. Verbal irony is basically when you say the opposite of what you mean. And situational irony is when the opposite of what you expected happens. So in this example, you have a rich man who is admired by everyone, but of course, the same person that is admired and everybody wants to be in his shoe, he turns around and kills himself. So it is very ironic that somebody like that would kill himself because, of course, that's unexpected. It's a person who is admired and a person who everybody seems to love. So, of course, you don't expect somebody like that to off himself. So that's the irony in that situation. We'll discuss that as well. But of course, you should know number 11. I think Trudy has this one. She should.
I don't like mice. I don't like mice.
Eh?
I don't like mice. Oh no! Go away.
Very good. Yes. And this one is what? This one is what, Trudy? What's the answer for this one?
Yeah.
12.
Oh. It's a duck. It's a duck. Hey.
B, is it B?
Ducks. Oh, more
No, Trudy, you skip over the answer. Oh, we have 10 minutes before it's before we have to re-log in. You jump over the answer. You jumped over A. It's A, Trudy, because in this one, two things are there. No things being compared there. In B, there's a comparison between the lady and a gazelle. So she ran away like a gazelle. But what tricked you is that the sentence is turned a different way. So the sentence didn't say she ran away like a gazelle. It says, like a gazelle, she ran away.
Yeah.
So look out for that. You just need to realize that the simile, once it's a simile, two things are going to be compared, and it doesn't matter the order of the sentence. All right. Number one is not a simile because you don't have two things being compared there. He looked like he had fallen. Yes, he looked like him dropped. So it's not that there's a comparison between he and something else. Right? So everything else there is a simile. Like a gazelle, she ran away. It's not the order of the words in the sentence is not one we're used to, but the comparison is still there. The ship went down like lead. Bo ran like a frenzied windmill. Her hand was as soft as velvet. All right, so all of those are clear similes except letter A. All right, for number, this should be 13. We talked about this earlier. Think you can tell me what device this is?
Using my magic to make more chickens.
No, we didn't. Yes, we did. I told you.
Maggie, that's not funny. I don't want to be a chicken. Change
Anybody?
back to normal now. Okay.
Alliteration. Alliteration. Yes, it's alliteration because remember, alliteration is the repetition of the same consonant sounds at the beginning of words. So that one would be alliteration. Next one, what figure of speech did Carl Sandburg used when he wrote, pigs so thin the farmer had to tie knots in their tails to keep them from falling to cats in their pen.
Bye-bye, boys and girls. Bye-bye. Look, little chicks. Hey, did you like
You see the exaggeration?
Then please like it. If you love it, you
Trudy, please tell me this is one that you had.
Go on. If you want to watch
This is the answer you have.
Steve and Maggie clip, touch here.
What again, miss?
This is the answer you have?
Yes.
Good. I know I'm ready to get so far. This one is
Yes. Oh no. Oh, hey, hello. I'm playing computer.
paradox because remember it's a contradictory statement. It's a statement that seems nonsensical, like there's no sense in it. But once you think about it deeper, you get some sense out of it. So in life, in death, there is life. In death, there is life. On the surface, it really makes no sense. But then when you think about it a little deeper, you should get some truth out of it, so to speak. What sense can you make of it?
What is it? Say it with me.
There's life.
Yeah, what is it? It's a skateboard. What is it? It's a skateboard. Yeah. Oh no. Whoa. Oh wow. I like skateboarding. Let's go faster and faster.
Can we make any sense out of it?
Skateboarding. I am skateboarding. I am skateboarding.
What's the
I
sense?
am skateboarding. I am skateboarding. I am skateboarding. Oh, hey, what am I doing now?
Anybody, somebody,
Skateboarding?
something.
No. Look.
What's the question? I'm not hearing clearly.
Hey.
Are you not
It's
hearing
a
because of the
scooter.
noise in my
Say it
background?
with me. What is it? It's
Oh,
a
let me try and turn
scooter.
it.
What is it?
Every time I turn down
It's
the tablet, they look before I turn it up.
What is it?
Turn
It's
it down.
a scooter. Yeah. Oh,
Excuse
this
me 1
is
second, please. Excuse me 1 second. Oh. How many cut outside, Andrew? How many guys outside? Come. Come. Here. Here. I was asking what sense you could make of the statement, Trudy. In death there is life.
Well, it's contradicting because when it said in death, where can you find life? Because when a person is dead, there's no life to it, so it's kind of confusing.
It's confusing, but remember, after one dies, several others are born. All right. So okay, we did this one. I realized that this one was repeated. Yeah. So we'll skip that one. Okay. Number 17. What answer did you have?
For 17.
Sorry. All right, just for time, because we need to do several things and we're strapped for time, I'm going to tell you that it's B. And it's B because unacceptable or inappropriate behavior. All right, and that's why this one would be out. So if you're hated, of course you'll be out of favor with everybody else. If you're fat, a euphemistic expression could be that the person is on the plump side. And I'm certain that you've heard this one before. If you the comment that somebody is not much to look at. And once that statement is made, you know they're just trying to say the person ugly and really hard to look at. And of course, slow on the uptake means that the person is just dunce. So that would be that for that. And for 18, if the poet speaks of the departed instead of harshly saying the dead, what device is he using?
Euphemism.
Wonderful. And guess what? I know that if you were taught the others, you'd basically get all of them right. This one too is, oh, look at the situation. We talked about this earlier. I think you can tell me what it is. After hurtling over the handlebars of his mountain bike, the racer tumbled down a rocky hillside, only to land in a bed of cactus. He then rolled over and said, "Boy, am I having a good time." This illustrates what figure of speech? Irony, because he's saying the opposite of what he really means. So that's it. And then we are back to onomatopoeia, and we said that onomatopoeia actually mimics or imitates the sounds that they represent. So these are words that imitate sounds that they represent. So which of these would not be an onomatopoeic word? Hum, yell, gurgle, rustle, cackle.